Hey, what's up? It's Jake from Nimbus DevOps, and we are going to be moving on to step 2 of Kubernetes the Hard Way. As you can see here, this requires us to set up the jump box. Simply stated, they want you to install some command line stuff that you're going to need in order to pull down a GitHub repository and copy and paste a couple of commands, which ultimately installs Kubectl. The better way to do this is to go to kubernetes.io and just look at the documentation for installing Kubectl. So we're going to skip all that other stuff, and this is exactly what we're going to do. You need curl, so if you don't have that, install curl. But other than that, you're ready to go. So just copy this curl command to install the binary. All done. Once that's done, we're going to download the checksum file. Then we're going to compare and validate the kubectl binary against the checksum file. Everything looks good. Then we're ready to actually do the installation. Once that's done, we can just run a kubectl version -- client, and we're good to go. So that's pretty much it for step 2. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, my name is Jake with Nimbus DevOps, and this is my home lab with my Kubernetes cluster.